storytime and sing it ready for fun.
Buenos dias, amigos. Good morning, my friends. We're going to read today this book about spring, a windy day in spring. Warm wind welcomes early spring. Warm wind makes the bluebirds sing. Warm wind rushes through the trees. Warm wind stirs the bumblebees. Warm wind blows a butterfly. Warm wind lifts a kite up high. Warm wind turns the weather bend. Warm wind waves a pony's mane. Warm wind makes the wind chimes ring. Warm wind helps a hammock swing. Warm wind steals a farmer's hat. Warm wind pets a baby cat. Warm wind, my book is a stack. Warm wind spins a blue pinwheel. Warm wind makes a seagull squeal. My friends, today we're gonna do our stretch at the end of the book. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna lift our hands up and we're gonna say buenos dias, which means good morning. Then we're gonna bend down and we're gonna say buenas tardes, which means good afternoon. And then we're going to take a nap and we say buenas noches, which means good night. Buenas noches. Gracias, amigos. Thank you, my friends. Bye.